the apples. Tell baby where the apple is. Oh my, yes! There's an apple! And baby sees it too! Go ahead, baby. Pick the apple for Sophie. Will you help baby pull? Great! Put your hands out and pull! 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 You did it! Good pulling! Look! It's Sophie! She's here! Baby doesn't see Sophie. Will you tell baby where Sophie is? You're right. There she is. Say hi to Sophie. Baby has something for you, Sophie. Oh, Sophie loves apples. Look, it's Butterfly. Butterfly wants to show us something. Oh my! It's everything we need to plant a flower. Will you help baby and Sophie plant a flower? That's great! First, we need to dig a hole in the dirt. Will you help baby and Sophie dig a hole? Let's dig. Dig, dig, dig. Wonderful. And here's Butterfly with a seed. Next, we have to cover the seed with dirt. Help baby and Sophie push the dirt. Great! Now, baby and Sophie need to do one more thing.
Hello.
What should baby and Sophie do next? That's right! Baby and Sophie need to water their flower. Uh-oh. The watering can is too heavy. Will you help baby and Sophie lift up the watering can? Great! 1, 2, 3, You did it! Now, let's wait and see what happens. Oh my!
Oh my gosh, Mom actually has things she wants to do. No way.
We grew a flower! Yay! Listen, do you hear that? That means it's time to do the Go Baby dance. And you can dance too.
Uh-oh. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Just say it. Go over there.
There was someone here.
Okay. Beans. Whoa. That's so cool. Hey, you got a movie.
What movie?
Happy Feet.
Wow.
Princess Eggs. I love Princess
Let's be
Eggs.
careless with the egg right there.
Oh, cool M&M's.
I keep them closed.
Is there anything in it, Amy? What is that?
A fruit.
like me to put something in the cup?
She has another one.
Here, let mommy see. Let mommy see the cup.
She
I'll
has
put
a
something in
purple
it.
one.
Yeah.
She has two.
Look at her cup. It changes colors. So what else is in your Easter basket?
Anything.
Oh, I just bumped one.
Ah. Him does. Hey, there's something in here. Yeesh. Cool. Hey, you put one in my shoe.
Ah.
Ew, that's gross.
Alright, speaking of shoes, get your shoes.
All right, here, give me the egg over there. Here, get another one.
Be nice on camera. Turn the light on, mommy.
You got another one? Here, mommy, hold it. Here, look, there's another one.
Whoa.
Look over here, Amy. Amy, Amy, look on the floor by your chair. Here, I'll take your egg. You go get more?
It's like the Easter Bunny pooped eggs all over the place, huh?
Rachel,
Huh?
the ones that are on the floor, you let your sister get, okay?
Okay.
Hey. Here, let her get these two in the chair, okay?
Okay.
You can get
There's
these
one
two.
over there. One that big I can get.
No, we're not eating anymore right now, Rich. Amy.
Amy, go bring your toys over here. You're good to mommy.
Amy! You know what? Let's put your bed back down if you're going to eat.
Whoa!
Egg? Show me your egg.
My basket's getting full.
Can you show mommy your egg? Here. All right, get another one. Here. Okay, look in your chair. Look in your chair.
I get the one over here.
Yes.
I already have three done.
There's son uno pizzas now.
Yeah.
Cool. I have that goes for powder. I have powder ones. That's lipstick. I know. Cool. I got two powders. I got pink and I got brown.
No, oh, fridge.
I got blue and purple.
Just how if you need something. You don't see it.
Is she finding?
Amy, come here. Amy's playing.
Oh.
That's
No, Amy or Sam or Rachel.
Rachel, just wait. Don't see her, okay? She doesn't even care. She's going for the ball. Amy, looky. Come here. Look at this first. What is that?
Let me sit down here so I can get it. Is that gonna be your way?
Yeah. Oh, you're fine.
Look
Huh?
at
You're
this.
fine.
You hang on, Rach. What's that?
Daddy, look.
You, Rachel?
Rachel, move out of the way.
Can you move back a little bit, honey?
Can I open this one this time? Cool.
Wow. Did you find my Easter basket?
No.
Oh, wow.
Amy.
Sammy had the hardest time finding hers.
Yeah.
She said she looked everywhere and couldn't find
I
it.
think Rachel's got a lifetime too.
Mary had it at my house.
There's a little stand there for it too. Back in the egg?
Look at me.
Oh, cool.
I got those.
You got some too?
But I got 2 reds and 1 purple.
Wow. Look at that.
And she has these.
Rachel, sit back.
Einstein
and Care
Bears.
Let me see.
No, you don't tear. I didn't know how she'd be with that kind.
Rachel.
Rachel, Daddy and Grandma are trying to take pictures. If you want to see, come over here on the side of me. Okay? You're gonna get your turn. Okay? Trying to see what her sister is. Cool. Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Moo. Where's the piggies? Where's the kitty? You see a kitty? There.
Cat. He's a girl.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
No, don't tear.
I'll give me my Easter basket.
Pony. Need scissors?
What the hell is
Yeah,
that?
I'm ready. Close my nails.
I'm glad that was a 15 pounder. That would have been 20, 15 pounds of salt. Try to
I had those.
You do?
Rachel, did you have?
What you doing?
Amy's gonna watch a movie. Who's that door?
Where is mine? Oh,
Alright, go find yours. Amy picked up the movie, the Weinsteins. And Wendy asked if she wanted to do it. Told her she had to go ask Papa, so she took it to him. Yeah.
oh, I see it.
You see it?
Whoa, look at all that.
Pull it out and bring it up by Mommy, honey.
Here. You got it okay?
Yeah.
Wow, I don't know. Can you handle that?
Whoa.
Can you handle all that? Whoa.
I got the same one as Sammy.
Wow. Okay, over here so we can see it, hon. Rachel? Turn around. Yeah, you can sit there in the chair, Sam.
I know.
Sam, go get your little blue chair for Amy.
Bunny, look at that.
Hey, yeah.
Select the main menu button at any time.
Oh, that's mine.
What's that?
Rachel?
That is cool.
Here's the for Amy to sit and watch that.
Oh, no, she can just sit on the floor.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
She's not quite stable enough to do those yet. Cinderella book. Sam, move out of the way.
Sam, what'd I say?
Sit down, sweetie. Watch it.
Janessa.
Pictures Little Mermaid. For the first time ever on TBS.
Look at what kind of Barbie that is.
good.
What do you say? You want to open your Barbie? Okay.
Rachel, I hate to say, but finish like the game, the one I did. I hope you guys did it really hard, but okay.
Wait out. Oh, all right. There you go.
Yeah, put it in your basket. No, put it in the basket. Don't open it yet. This basket. Okay, let's go find another one. Here, let's go get another one. Here, there's one. Get the egg. Get the egg.
Keep going, Sam.
No. Yeah, it's gonna stick in it, huh? No, give me that.
I get all the money. Give me the money. I get all the money.
Yeah, let's get the egg.
Keep going, Rach.
Ooh, I found a flower one.
Here's one. Look at that little egg.
Rachel. Turn.
Don't open it. Put it in the basket. Here, put it in the basket. There you go. No, leave it in there. Over here.
Amy.
I see some more out there.
Rachel.
I'm gonna get with the lawnmower if you don't get them.
Keep going, Sam.
Rachel, look at me. Rachel.
I'd like to get out of the White
There's a
House.
green one
White
there.
House does that. Isn't that
Put it back in.
Yeah.
Right over here. Walk forward. Little one. Nope, turn this way. Right in front of you. On the ground. Nope, turn. Turn the other way. Rachel. Behind you now. See it in the grass?
the higher one to see?
Hold on. Right here.
There you go.
All right, look at mommy.
Here, put it in there, honey. There you go. Just put it in there. Just put it in, honey. Put the egg in the basket.
Oh, look around.
Now look at mommy. All right. Not yet.
Well, that's
Can't eat
cow.
it.
I don't know, honey.
Come on.
I don't see it.
Rachel, look at mommy. Rachel.
Okay. Rachel, here's some more.
Look at mommy.
Wait, here's some more.
Rachel,
Let's
look
get some
up.
more. Wait, Aim. Here. Come here. Over here. Look at. Look at. Here's another one. Here's another one, baby.
What?
Uh,
I found one! Money.
There you go.
Good job.
There's one down
sweetie.
there by Papa.
Go over by Papa.
come over here. What are you eating already?
Yeah.
Come here.
Rachel, no whining. Got it?
Come here, Amy.
You have a barn.
Rachel.
Hold on, girls. Gotta wait for it.
Here, put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. No.
Hold on, girls.
Okay. There's a pink one there.
No.
Put it in the... Got money. No, give me the egg. Give me the egg. Give me the egg. Thank you. Got one more over here.
Good job.
Give him. Thank you.
Did you find the little guy?
Yep. We're done.
I found a curly one and I found a flower one.
Rachel, look this way. Rachel.
I'm going to slide. Here, Rachel. Okay. Hi. Here we go. Say hi. Whee! Do it again. Here, let Daddy help you up. Okay. Go. Whee! What are you doing? Yeah. Whee! Oh! You mow the grass? You mow the grass? Hold on. Whee! You go on your swing? She's alright. Hey. Rachel.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Amy, no. Amy. Uh-oh. I'll scrape you off. No, Amy. This is how you... Here. Hold that. Hold that. Now walk. Here. Amy, look it. Amy, look it. Amy. Want a flower? Amy. You want a chair? Yeah. You fix the table? There you go.
Close.
Amy, look. Amy.
Go, baby.
Oh, hi. Look, baby is in the garden. Say hi to baby.
Say hi.
Baby wants to pick an apple for Sophie. But baby doesn't see any apples. Tell baby where the apple is.
Where's the apple at?
Oh my, yes! There's an apple! And baby sees it too! Go ahead, baby. Pick the apple for Sophie. Will you help baby pull? Great! Put your hands out and pull!
Get the apple?
Pull! 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 You did it! Good pulling! Look, it's Sophie. She's here. Baby doesn't see Sophie.
Where's
Will
Sophie
you
at?
tell baby where Sophie is?
Amy, where's Sophie at?
You're right. There she is. Say hi to Sophie.
You say hi?
Baby has something for you, Sophie. Oh, Sophie loves apples. Look, it's Butterfly. Butterfly wants to show us something. Oh my! It's everything we need to plant a flower. Will you help baby and Sophie plant a flower? That's great! First, we need to dig a hole in the dirt. Will you help baby and Sophie dig a hole?
And I love you. Go to sleep.
Let's dig. Dig, dig, dig. Wonderful.
That's the other one I
And
picked up
here's
and said,
butterfly with a seed.
I just rolled it up from the
Next, we have to cover the seed with dirt. Help baby and Sophie push the dirt. Great! Now, baby and Sophie need to do one more thing. What should baby and Sophie do next? That's right! Baby and Sophie need to water their flower. The watering can is too heavy. Will you help baby and Sophie lift up the watering can? Great! One,
Are you watching?
2, 3, lift!
Who is that, Amy?
You did it! Now, let's wait and see what happens. Oh my! Look! We grew a flower! Yay!
Yay!
Listen! Do you hear that? That means it's time to do the Go Baby dance! And you can dance too! Thank you for coming to see baby and Sophie in the garden today. You were such a big help. We couldn't have grown a flower without you. Say bye, baby.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, Sophie.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.